What's the meaning of carrion? Carrion. Carrion.
Carrion. Carrion. Carrion refers to the carcass of a dead animal. It is typically used to describe animal remains, particularly those that have been left out in the open and are in an advanced stage of decomposition. When animals die, they become food sources for other living organisms, such as scavengers and decomposers. These organisms break down the carcasses, which eventually turn into soil nutrients. However, carrion can also be a source of disease if it is not disposed of properly. In general, carrion serves as an important ecological function in the natural world.